Merry Christmas, guys! I hope you all had a magical day yesterday. Can you believe this is my last Vlogmas? Here is me getting ready for the day. I'm not leaving the house today, but I thought I would get myself ready and make myself feel good. So I popped my hair in some pigtails, with bows, of course. Did a little bit of makeup and popped on my Christmas jumper that Robin got me. Then we all headed into the kitchen for stockings. And of course, a cuppa. We took it in turns with stockings this year because it's only two of us. So I watched Robin open all of his. Went a little bit mad on TikTok shop with the sweets. The doggies got a little bone, and then it was my turn for my stocking. I was so excited. Robin did well this year, guys. I got some blind boxes, sweets, socks, and just some like cute little bits. Here is me opening some of my blind boxes. Do any of you guys collect these, by the way? This new addiction of ours started in Tokyo, Japan when we discovered Pop Mart. They're just so thrilling to open. Look at all of mine that I got. Robin also got me some of the Lego minifigures as well. Then we moved into the living room for main presents. So here's Robin opening a couple of his and here's mine. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this diesel top. And I got Robin some Lego, and then funnily enough, he got me Lego too. And oh my god, I'm just like a kid. I'm so excited. He got me the Disney Lego castle. I had been wanting this for a few months and I genuinely didn't think he'd got it for me. So I was so happy and surprised. How cute is my Lulu bear today? We did pop out actually. I wanted to visit my dad's grave. I go here every Christmas and just lay some Christmassy flowers. So we did that, and then we had some food and we started on the Lego. Whilst watching Disney films, of course, we started building the piranha plant from Super Mario. Here's Lulu Bear just being super cute. We only got this far though because annoyingly there was a piece missing. So now we have to wait 9 to 12 business days for a new piece. Anyways, we then headed into the kitchen and we started cooking our dinner. Our dinner for two. There was a lot of food. I mean, we are going to be eating leftovers till the new year. But it's all good because Christmas leftovers are banging. It was rather cute just having a candlelit Christmas dinner, just the two of us, I have to say. We walked our dinner off with the doggies. Made Robin watch Home Alone because he'd never seen it before. And that was my Christmas, guys.